Alright, today I'm going to explain about how to make a videos for YouTube or Facebook. So I hope you are guys enjoying in this video, and you will be knowing and you will be learning that how can you make video for your channel or for your YouTube channel or for your Facebook page. So let's get started. Well, actually, you can say I'm a YouTuber because I make video for my YouTube channel, and as well as I upload my video my Facebook page. And I have been making videos since maybe January 2025, and I used to make videos every day. Still I'm making video every day, and I'm uploading my videos on YouTube every day. But here's but this kind of video I just make for my practice, like I practice this kind of video. I record in front of camera and I upload on YouTube. So it's very helpful for my actually communication, I mean for my speak English, and as well as it's very important for me to learn English, learn vocabulary, learn sentences, and when I mistake, then I see, and I can correct my mistake when I make video. So it's very helpful for me, and this make video system is very helpful for me, to be honest. And that's why I make video. It's not any special reason or anything else. So how can you make video? How can you started your journey to make video? So it's very easy. So you have to first of all create a channel. So if you have channel, don't worry guys. So you can create a channel. How can you do how can you create a channel? You can search on YouTube, and you'll be get a lots of video, and you can see this kind of video, and you can easily create YouTube channel. And you have to actually, main reason is you have to make videos every day. Good quality videos you have to make every day. And when you will be make videos like every day, you will be feel confidence, you will be feel like you will be get actually a lots of experience about the make video. Then you will be automatically actually expert about it. And another thing is you have to choose niche. Niche means like what is your interest, what kind of video do you like most, what kind of video when you make video that time, do you feel good or bad, actually this video what kind of, you have to think like I like English related video, I like educational related video. This means my niche is educational, and many people so like funny videos. They can choose their entertainment. Yeah, this is called niche. And you have to edit your videos, thumbnail video. You have to edit your videos, and you have to set title and description, and etc. You have to edit in your videos. So like this way you can make videos and you can upload on YouTube. So you have to fix time. Which time do you upload, will you upload your video on YouTube? When you will be fix your time, that time audience will be easily understand that which time do you upload your videos on YouTube. So this is very interesting, I think. Yeah. So I said already that I have been making videos since January. It's like around 8 months, because right now August. So if you want to really interested to make videos or share your everyday journey, everyday routines with the people, so the content creators are for you. You can come here very easily, and you can make videos. So it will be very actually good platform for you. Like I like make videos because I feel enjoy, and my knowledge I try to share with the people. And yeah, it's very to be honest, it's very enjoyable actual things. I can practice my speak English, as well as I can share my knowledge with people. And I can actually uh, watch again my old video when I upload. Then I can watch my video. So it's really so good for me, and very funny things for me. I feel when I make video, that time I feel very good. And in the free time, I try to make videos, and I try to share my thought with the people. So like this way I make video and I try to share my knowledge with people. So thanks for watching this video.